ApeCoin is up another 20%. They have a huge catalyst coming up that could push it even further. That's why today we're going to be discussing ApeCoin and everything it has coming up that could push its price even higher than it is right now. In this video, we'll be going over what ApeCoin is, the news coming out on it, and doing some technical analysis at the end. So make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe and watch all the way until the end of the video so you don't miss out on any of the information I'm about to give to you guys. So here we are on public.com. We can see that ApeCoin is currently up 9% on the day, and it's just had a very steady rise. Even with the crypto market not exactly following the same pattern, we are still seeing a very steady rise with ApeCoin. Over the past week, it is up about 22%, and over the past month, it is up about 40%. If you guys don't know what ApeCoin is, ApeCoin is a decentralized project inspired by Yuga Labs' Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT project. ApeCoin is a ERC20 governance token, allowing ApeCoin holders to participate in the ApeCoin DAO as the open source protocol layer of the ecosystem. ApeCoin will also be used to access games, merchandise, events, and services. ApeCoin is currently the #1 trending coin on Lunar Crush. If you guys don't know, Lunar Crush is a way to check the social engagement, basically how popular this cryptocurrency is at the moment. You can see ApeCoin is currently #1 on Lunar Crush, and you can see ApeCoin is basically being talked about a ton and has been the #1 crypto for a while now. Another thing I want to check is the technical score. This is another website that I use called Quantify Crypto. If you guys want to check the technical score, it's kind of like technical analysis all wrapped up in one thing, but they have a technical score of 98, which is very bullish. To give you guys a bit of an example here, pretty much no crypto ever really gets to 100. So if you're in the 95 to 100 range, you are extremely bullish going forward. And by the way, I'll be putting out this video within an hour, so we have extremely bullish technicals, and I'll be going over that at the end of the video as well. But another thing I want to mention, if you guys don't know what ApeCoin is, it's basically a extension of Bored Ape Yacht Club. Bored Ape Yacht Club is one of the most popular NFT projects out there. Basically, it's a collection of like 10,000 unique Bored Ape NFTs. You can see all of them right here. They mostly all go for above 136 Ethereum at the moment. And yeah, basically there's 10,000 of them, and it gives you access to member-only benefits, and gives you access to a bunch of different things such as, discords, and now they will be in the metaverse through ApeCoin. So yeah, ApeCoin is basically for the Web3 economy. They are for decentralization. That's why they have a DAO, and they have announced that they are going to be getting into the metaverse. But yeah, it's basically serving as a decentralized protocol layer for community-led initiatives that drive culture forward into the metaverse. So yeah, they will be getting into the metaverse, and we're going to discuss that in just one second, but I do want to mention one thing. Before I get into the news of ApeCoin, if you guys are interested in getting a free stock worth up to $300, then go ahead and deposit $1 on public.com with the first link in the description. Public.com is a social investing network that allows you to see what your favorite investors are buying and selling in the stock and crypto markets. Plus, when you use our link and deposit just $1, you get the chance to earn a free stock worth up to $300. So go ahead and click that first link in the description and get signed up to public.com. Okay, so getting into the rest of the news here, ApeCoin surged about 40% in 1 week. This was about a week ago, ahead of the new Metaverse launch. So basically, an altcoin created by the founders of popular Bored Ape Yacht Club non-fungible token collection, like we just discussed, is soaring in anticipation of its related Metaverse going live this weekend. So yeah, you can see here that this is going to be the Metaverse. I'm just going to let this play in the background while I talk about it, but you can see that this Metaverse looks extremely good. So all of these NFTs are going to be in this metaverse, and this metaverse is going to be launching on April 30th. Now, it is currently April 27th of 2022, so in about 3 days time, ApeCoin's metaverse other side will be released. Now, what does this mean for ApeCoin? Obviously, it has been driving the price up ever since this was announced. Now, this was, released. This video was released March 18th, but there was no date before. Well, this past week, we finally got a date where they announced the launch of this metaverse. And yeah, so this is pretty much the rest of it, but it looks extremely good. If it looks this good in game as well, this metaverse could be extremely good. But yeah, so basically, other side Meta said, hey, other side 4:30, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that is when it's going to be released. It's going to be 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on April 30th. So we finally have a date, and that's why ApeCoin's price is currently going up. The floor price of a Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT went from 102 Ethereum to 138 Ethereum. So basically, Bored Ape Yacht Club membership now costs about over $400,000. But yeah, so let's discuss some more of the technicals. So you can see here, the global crypto market's currently sitting at about 1.79 trillion, a 2% increase. Bitcoin and Ethereum are both up, so pretty much the whole cryptocurrency is doing pretty good today. It's you know, just in the green or barely in the red. But ApeCoin has now surpassed every other Metaverse crypto project, including Axie Infinity, including Decentraland, and they are now the biggest Metaverse crypto, sitting at number 27 in terms of market cap. Now their market cap is currently $5.5 billion with a volume of $1.5 billion. So with that amount of volume compared to that amount of market cap, we can see anywhere from 10 to 15% in gains like we're seeing today. They're outperforming Bitcoin by about 5% and Ethereum by 6%. And as you can see here, the historical data, basically how much volume has been happening. They've been doing over $1 billion ever since it was announced that ApeCoin would be released on April 30th, and I expect this to continue until this Metaverse is released. Now let's discuss some technical analysis. You can see here, obviously some of you guys might not know how to do technical analysis, so I'll keep this extremely simple, but we're seeing higher highs, basically meaning every time we kind of make our run back up, we are seeing a higher high. Before it was 1750, now it's 1832, it was just 19.5, and now we're seeing it almost hitting $20, and lower lows. So it was, our previous low was 1380 for the past week, then it was 15.9, then it was 17.8. So basically this is extremely bullish movement. You can see here on the MACD, this is going to be a trend indicator. When the blue line's above the orange line, that is extremely good for positive momentum, and is currently still trending upwards. And the RSI is sitting at about 60, which is pretty high, meaning it's kind of overbought, but really the only time you want to you get scared of this RSI is when it hits like that 75 to 80 range. So the fact that we're still going up and the RSI is only 65 tells me there's a bit more to go for ApeCoin, and I expect this price action to continue all the way until the Metaverse is released on April 30th personally. But yeah, I just wanted to make a video updating you guys on the state of ApeCoin, the news of ApeCoin, whether or not you should be investing. Personally, I think it's still a great investment for to invest in ApeCoin. I think they have a lot of awesome stuff coming up, especially with their Metaverse coming out on April 30th. I think it's only up from here with ApeCoin, so definitely right now is not too late to buy. However, it would have been much better to buy when we bought in our private Discord, but you guys can join the free section of our private Discord with that second link in the description if you guys are interested in seeing some of those crypto plays. And we're also doing stock options now, so if you guys want to, go and join that. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for this video. I hope that we covered everything. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Go ahead and get your free stock with the first link in the description. Obviously join the free Discord with the second link in the description. And yeah, it's going to be it. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.